Now the next features of Indian economy are limited urbanization. Limited urbanization, that time our urban areas are very less. हमारे urbanization बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. 14% people are living in urban area and 86% people are living in rural areas. Means most of the people of our country are living in rural areas only, where they are not having any facilities, lack of facilities of getting jobs in other areas outside agriculture. एग्रीकल्चर के अलावा वो कोई और काम उनके समझ में आता ही नहीं था, ना ही उनके लिए कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज थी, क्योंकि वहाँ पर रूरल एरियाज में दे आर फाइंडिंग नथिंग except agriculture work, and only 14% people are living in urban areas and they are educated also, and rest of the Indians are uneducated and they are belongs to rural area. तो वहाँ पे urbanization भी बिल्कुल नहीं था. Urbanization was also not less, not much that time, and people are basically lives in the rural areas only. Then next is semi-feudal economy. Semi-feudal economy, it is our economy at that time was semi-feudal economy. That is, you're not having the totally capitalist economy. We are having the mixture of feudal economy as well as the capitalist economy. Feudal economy का मतलब होता है कि the economy where the productivity is very low. So that time also, during the time of independence, we have started some small scale industries at that time, but our productivity is very low because of the backwardness of Indian people, that is backwardness of Indian agricultural sector and industrial sector and other things. We are not we cannot improve our economy at that time. So our economy is that time was semi-feudal economy. Our productivity is very less. It will not sufficient to meet the requirements of our people living in country. Now next is colonial economy. Our economy is known as the colonial economy that time. Colonial economy is the economy set up by the British governments. तो ब्रिटिश इकोनॉमी क्यों कहा जाता है, ब्रिटिश कॉलोनियल इकोनॉमी इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि हमारी कंट्री में उस टाइम पे पीपल आर बेसिकली दे आर under the pressure of the British governments, that Britishers has completely run our industrial sector, agriculture sector, and even in the demographic condition also पूरी तरह से हमारे सारे सेक्टर्स को पूरी तरह से ब्रिटिशर्स ने एक्सप्लॉइट कर दिया था. And even in agriculture sector also, their productivity is very less. In industrial sector, they have completely destroyed our Indian handicraft industry. They are not providing raw materials to our handicrafts. और इस तरह से हमारी इकोनॉमी जो है कॉलोनियल इकोनॉमी इसलिए कहा जाती थी क्योंकि हमारे इंडियंस की जगह कॉलोनियल गवर्नमेंट्स का जो था मेजर लीडिंग रोल था उस टाइम पे. उन्होंने पूरी तरह से हमारी इकोनॉमी को पूरी तरह से एक्सप्लॉइट कर दिया था. सो दैट इज वाई आवर इकोनॉमी इज नोन एज वेरी लो लेवल एट दैट टाइम. So these are the features of Indian economy at the time of independence. That Indian economy is a low level, not only in agriculture sector but in other sectors also. Completely Britishers has exploited in our country. That is, in the 200 years of their rule, they have completely destroyed our agriculture sector, industrial sector, even our resources, natural resources, whatever resources we are having, they have shifted to their own country, and they are forced Indians to buy the finished products made by the Britishers, and they have increases the rate of taxes for the Indian domestic that producers also. और इस तरह से उनको ज़्यादा कंपटीशन फेस करना पड़ता था अदर इकोनॉमी से, अदर कंट्रीज से. एंड this is the exploitation of totally exploitation of the colonial government at the time. That is, our economy is known as the low level economy or the backward economy.